You want to move around me? Oh, paper.
Don't eat it. What's this?
What's in there? Oh. There's more paper. Forget the presents. Oh, look at that present. Nice wad of tissue paper. Yeah.
That one was for you, Mommy. What's this?
Oh, look at all that. Oh my goodness, look at all those presents. Oh yeah. That's how you open a present.
Here.
Oh, Penny wants to open a present for you.
Right here. There you go.
Yay! Oh, I see polka dots. I see polka dots.
What's in here?
Oh.
Sydney, what's this? What's that? Oh.
Oh. Yay!
Still looking at the paper. What do we have here? Oh, what's that?
Oh, cute little shirt.
Oh. And some little pants.
Yay for polka dot pants.
Hey, what's this one?
Oh, very nice. I see some stripes.
Yay.
Yay! Oh, tissue paper. Thank you, sweetheart. What are those stripes?
Wait, get it.
Study that. Yeah! Oh, that's a pretty big piece. You gonna open your present?
Yeah.
Oh. Oh, it's so cute. It's so cute. You open it up so Mama can see? Oh, you want more tissue paper? Oh, thank you.
Oh.
Girls can save the world.
Here, what's this? Can you get that one open? Oh, okay.
She says, "Come on, take my picture. Take my picture. I'm opening presents."
Oh,
Oh, there's more in that. Oh, there's some socks in there.
so there is. Socks.
Yeah, I think socks fell out of that other package too.
Oh.
Yes, socks! What's in that one? Oh.
Here, open this. Oh, this is for us.
Oh, okay. We'll save that one. Oh, Sydney says, well, I could open it for you if you want. I could do that. That's a present, you know. Or put it inside this other present that is for me, and then that makes it mine. Oh.
Oh.
Can we see what's in this one, Sydney?
Here we go.
I think I know what's in this one. It's a calendar. Not to spoil your surprise or anything.
Pull, pull, pull.
Oh, what's that, Sid?
Here, pull right here. Pull. Oh.
Yay! What's that, Sid? It's a wolf.
Is that a wolf?
Wolf. Yay! Oh! Paper on the head, paper on the head.